Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English language instructor, Mohammed Hasnain, once again with all of you people today. Agar aap sabko nahi pata, so in the last two parts I discussed a frequent topic which is about confidence, ego, and today it's going to be about narcissism. In the fourth part we are going to be discussing the differences between the three different topics. So stay tuned for the fourth part. If you haven't seen the first two, you guys should see that absolutely, because lots of people don't know the difference between the three of them, which is very important to know about. Now without further ado, let's get into the topic. Narcissism basically hota kya hai, or narcissism ka basically effect kya hota hai? Narcissism is basically a personality disorder that makes people think that they are special, or that makes people think that they are way above the others. Narcissism or narcissistic individuals think that they are at the center of the universe. They seek adoration from everybody, and they think that they are better, or they are better than the whole universe. They have a lack of empathy. They have a constant need for adoration, for appreciation, and the approval of others. They are insecure little people that think that they are way more better, but in reality they aren't. It's a personality disorder that lots of times makes people have desires of things or fantasies of things such as unlimited success, power, popularity, and even ideal beauty or ideal love. Lots of times narcissists are completely into themselves and think that they are way better and above the rules and law, and they are entitled to special treatment. Now basically what do narcissists do is that they are way more different than normal people. They pleasure themselves more, and they have a lack of empathy, while egoists or people with ego or a sense of ego, they do not kill, or they do not put other people off from the list. I do not mean like the physical killing, but the list killing. They do not cut the people off from the list. They say that we are going to be the first, then other guys can go behind us. But narcissists say that no one is equal to me, so nobody will stand in the position I am, not even behind me. They say, nah, you aren't going anywhere near to me, because I'm the best. I'm going to be at the very top. If you guys want to be, you can be at here, but you can't be here next to me. No, you can't be near, and don't you even think of going above that, because these people have very large tendencies of being a character that will do anything for seeking out what they want. Such characters in Japanese can be also known as yandere, that pleases themselves as characters that want themselves to have anything they want. They can get anything they want at any cost possible. If they, for example, like you, they'll get you at any cost. If they hate you, they'll kill you at any cost. If they appreciate your work, they'll stand by your side at any cost. If you just enrage them by any chance, that's a big no-no for you. Lots of Karens or lots of people that are online are nowadays narcissists that speak of things as such. Now, lots of people call me a narcissist online, which is absolutely babbling to me, because what? Like a narcissist and me. Lots of people don't actually know me as to who I am in the past, but let me tell you people, I'm the same person that was kicked out of his own radio, his own job, his own show. I'm the same person that was kicked out of his own place. I'm the same guy that was kicked out of multiple different places. I had so much struggle. I used to go daily or on every Monday literally in a local car or in a local flying coach towards Islamabad via Peshawar for a show, literally one show, spending that much money, which was, they weren't paying me anything. I'm the same guy that you people cancelled like more than 20 times. Yes, I've been cancelled. If you guys are from Instagram or anywhere new, you guys know I've been cancelled. You guys don't know actually that I've been cancelled that much, but the old people watching me, I've been working on the platform since more than 5 to 7 years. So it's in the middle of that. I don't really know the correct area. I've been working in the field for 7 years, but I don't know when my channel or when my Facebook account was made, or my Instagram, I don't know that. But I've been working on that since a very long time, and I believe I've been cancelled multiple different times. That was called me to get to this position. Narcissism is that you pleasure and you seek yourself over others. If I was a narcissist, I would literally not make these videos for other people, and I would literally not teach English language to anybody. I'm still making free videos on YouTube and on Instagram and on Facebook and on all these places. If I was a narcissist, I would literally charge $100 because, oh, I've done CELTA, I've done Delta, I've done this from British Council, I'm this, I'm that. For me, myself, I've worked on YouTube and some other platforms for a very long time. Some of you people say, why do I say YouTube? So it's incorrect, yes, but according to American accent, I sometimes speak a mix of American and British accent, so that's why it's YouTube, or if anything else. So if you people mind my accent, I'm sorry for that. But if you people listen to me in the future saying such type of thing, so realize that I'm speaking a mix of both accents, so do not judge me for one singular accent. Now, coming back to the topic, I have been working on YouTube for a very long time and for free. I've been working on that place. So you can't call me a necessary narcissist just by one video which I made in rage and in anger. I know, and you guys also know which video I'm talking about very well. We both know that. But I won't say anything else. I won't yap more if you people want to hear that. Yes, I'm a yapper, of course, and I'm also a PhD in that. It's like a blessing for God, because lots of people just stay all their life speaking nothing, and they just die inside, kill themselves inside with emotions swelling up in their heart. So being able to speak up, having the conviction, the resolve, the determination to speak and face the consequences of whatever people think, that's a big thing. That's a blessing for me. And if you people call me the master, or if you people call me the PhD of yapping, thank you a lot. It's honestly like a big thing for me, because I really trust you all. I really like that you people give me such positive comments. I really like the fact that you people support me so much and you people admire me, because yapping itself is a skill. Lots of you people don't speak online yourself, so most likely you people don't yap. You are like the silent people, I guess. So yapping is a skill. Now, what does yapping have to do with narcissism, you may ask? Narcissist people always like to stay by themselves. They don't like to speak to others because they think of others as lowly creatures that aren't even humane to them, below themselves. Lots of the times, people from Middle East or lots of Middle Eastern parents usually become narcissists after their child's birth because of either his good remarks, and he becomes a narcissist thinking that he has one of the best sons in the world, which he absolutely doesn't, because until we have people like chess prodigies and English prodigies and prodigies, I don't call myself a prodigy, but I am a prodigy, so it is what it is. Disagree, it's all right. Your opinion, my opinion is mine and yours is yours. But of course, that is one point and one side of the story. So back to where I was. Narcissistic people also tend to become from such families, from small families. Now there are two types of narcissist. One is the cold, icy type of people. The one is that bully type of narcissists. Now the cold and icy one, they believe of themselves as on a bigger level. Because I've studied psychology, I'm saying all these things. They think of themselves as some kind of bigger level people, but they also think of themselves as lower level. They have these tendencies of both superiority and inferiority complex, which makes them think that they are sometimes very much better and sometimes very much lesser than anybody else on the same place as them, on the same plane of work as them. So it's a mix of that, but lots of the time such narcissists just tend to not speak. They just stay silent. Now there's the bully type, which will just try to humiliate you. Now these people are insecure, and these people are hiding some insecurity. Either when they were younger, they were tortured, or they were mentally tortured by their family by saying that you need good grades, you need good that, and once they get those things, they bully others into doing that. Now the easiest way, first of all, for anybody that's getting that bully treatment is to deal with it. Of course, you gotta deal with it, because narcissists are narcissists. But honestly, it's very easy to get under their skin. Like, I get most people that are narcissist on the platform, I get under their skin, because they're like, oh my god, he's like 10, and how can he say that he's better than me? He's not better than me. He's like this, he's like that. So yeah, I can get under the skin of narcissists easily. Just tell them that they are insecure little people, that play with other people and that fend off their little insecurities, so that in the future if anybody tries to put a finger on them, they'll just shut them up and they'll just bully them more, because they're insecure and they have their minions around them and they have created this comfort for themselves that they stay in at all times. That is what most of narcissists are. So that was narcissism. Lots of the now in this episode there wasn't much about narcissists, because it's like a personality disorder. A simple definition: what do they do and what do they not do. You cannot prevent it. It's like something that's inbuilt. You cannot prevent it. You can get more humble and down to earth, but that doesn't mean your narcissistic tendencies won't get any larger or any lesser. But the point here is that lots of the times people, they have narcissism and such type of things, so they accuse others of that too. Weird logic, I guess. So I was just talking and extending that a bit so that we could understand narcissism by me, by others, and by the people on the platform that are right now watching this. Thank you so much for watching, and inshallah I'll see you in the next part where we discuss about the differences between narcissists, egoistics, and confident people. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.